All right, we're here with Emma's 4th gen 4Runner.
Anyway, I'm Tyler. I'm new to the Guard off-road crew. We're here today with Emma's 4th gen 4Runner. She unfortunately missed a couple trips to Deer Valley and the Rubicon due to ground clearance issues. So, we're going to install three-way Dobinsons lift kit. Like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll see her out there on the next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see her out there on the next wheeling trip.
Nice. See, that's it. It's when the spring compressor is not tall enough. Oh, never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about.
See, you're good.
What are you?
Him.
Oh, someone's the man. Who is the man?
Guard off-road. A thing or two, about a thing or two, but that's about it.
I guess so. Dobinsons. Dobinsons.
Is it hot?
Uh-oh.
like old biking wheels. What's up?
How's that WJ doing?
Doing great.
Oh! Woo! Good catch.
So we're divorcing the axle from the body. Oh wow, the bump stop's built right into the.
Yeah, we're
It's like a little safety cone, but not orange. You could paint it orange.
It's like a Devo hat.
Oh yeah, you're right. In the 80s. There you go. Perfect.
Protection.
Is that the famous Randy?
Oh yeah. How you doing? The one with the Aston. And it still runs. I actually ended up having to replace the hydraulic hoses for the transmission.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, they're old and blew out. So I got the not synthetic, what do they call those? Silicone ones from